Imagine going out and to meet someone. You don't know their language, you don't know what they're talking about, what they want to say to you, but you can see that they are eager to say something to you. Maybe it's a greeting, maybe it's just a story. I will help you with that. Whenever you meet a Ndebele person, you want to greet them, you want to say good afternoon, you want to say good morning. I'll tell you how you do it. Okay, basic greetings in Ndebele. How are you? Unjani? Linjani? So unjani is for one person. Linjani is for many people. Again, unjani is to say, how are you to someone maybe who's young. Then linjani is some respect in it. You understand? So, hello, sawubona, sawubona, or salbonani. Sawubona is when you meet one person. Salbonani is again when you meet many people, or you are at a function, you want to greet many people, you say salbonani. You understand? Then I'm fine, niyapila, niyapila. You understand? Good morning, livuka njani, livuka njani. Good afternoon, lichonile, lichona njani, lichonile. Good evening, it's lichonile again, or lichona njani. Like, follow and share.